Hey everyone, so we're just gonna get right into this video. Watch me transform this hot mess on my head to this golden perfection using Uncle Funky's daughter. First, I went in and washed my hair with their Bye Bye Build Up Cleansing Conditioner, and then I followed up with their Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask. So to save you all some time, so this video isn't super long, I went ahead and washed my hair off camera, and now we're just gonna go straight into the styling portion. My style of choice is my fave, my go-to style, which is a good old twist out. So for this type of twist out that I'm doing, I went ahead and did 3 braids to the left of my hair, which you will all see eventually throughout this video. But I wanted to be sure that I did not part my hair in the center because I always part it in the center. So to switch it up a bit, I did a left-sided part, and now I'm just sectioning off my hair to start off the twisting process. First, I'll be applying their Midnight Train Leave-In Conditioner. This is from their Ultimate Kinky and Curly Travel Kit, so it is a travel size leave-in conditioner. What I do like is how it sprays out of the bottle. I know most people don't like spray leave-ins, but I don't mind. As long as it disperses well throughout my hair, that is fine, and it smells really, really, really good. Plus, I usually apply my leave-in conditioners in the shower, but for this video, I decided to do it out the shower so that you all can see. And just by the looks of it, my hair felt very soft. Again, it smelled really good, and yeah, I really, really like this. Next up, I am following up with their Supercurl Miracle Moisture Cream. This is also in their Ultimate Kinky and Curly Travel Kit. I applied this for added moisture and so that it can seal in that leave-in as well. So I'm just applying that to the section, making sure that I apply it to the ends of my hair, and then I'll be going in with the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator as my styler to set these twists in place. So for the Curly Magic, the directions does say to apply a quarter size amount to soaking wet hair, but because I am doing a twist out, my hair is not soaking wet. It doesn't need to be soaking wet, but I still applied a quarter size amount, and it still worked out with the side sections that I am doing. You will notice that I am not finger parting or any of that sort because I've been doing that a lot, and my hair has been kind of getting used to it or getting used to the parts that I've been doing. So I just decided to just pull sections and work that way so that, you know, my hair can get out of that routine section that I've been doing. Basically, all I'm doing is applying the leave-in, applying the cream, then the Curly Magic on top, detangling my hair, twisting down. Before I get to the ends, I detangle again, and then I just finger coil the ends, and that's it. Easy, simple, that's it. Now with twist outs, because I've gotten accustomed to the twaid outs, if you don't know what a twaid out is, it's basically you braid at the roots and then twist down. I have a video on it. It'll be linked up here so that you know what I'm talking about if you don't know what I'm talking about. So the good thing about a twaid out is that your roots will be pretty much laid. You won't have puffy roots. I should have done a twaid out, but because I've been doing a lot of those, I said, let me go to my good old faithful twist outs. So you will notice at the roots of my hair that it's puffy, but it's okay because it still worked out once I took down my hair. Now we are at the front of my hair, and as you can see, I already did the 3 braids to the side of my hair, and that's because I'm not able to do it while looking into the lens, so I went ahead and did that off camera. Now I'm just finishing up the twist in the front. Also, comment down below letting me know if you've ever tried any of Uncle Funky's daughter products. If not, they are available at select Walmart locations, so check out your local Walmart. If you see them there, purchase you some. I recommend them because I really enjoyed these products. So here we are, it is the next day and it's time for me to take down my hair. So I just applied some oil to my hands and now I'm just taking down the twist. And as you can see, my hair has crazy definition. Now I will say for me that the Curly Magic gel was more of a medium to light hold. Maybe because I didn't use so much of it. But I appreciate it because it gave me definition. My hair still felt very soft and moisturized, and my hair did not flake. Now, obviously I was having a good conversation with my husband because my face is about to tell it all. Y'all see that face? Yeah. But anywho, so now I'm just gonna go ahead, finish taking down the twist. I'm going to basically, pick my roots out, give my hair some volume, and that's basically it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed, and follow me on social media too. And until next time, bye.